Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to release the hood right by this footrest. Grab the lever right there and pull it out. Now we're going to pull up on the hood. The release is right here. Just push that up. Release the hood. Then you can grab the prop rod right here. Pull it up. And stick it right there. To replace the headlight bulb, you're going to come back here. There is a connector right here. You're going to grab it. Pull that off. With that connector off, we can grab one of these tabs right here. I'm going to pull this boot off. Just go all around the headlight. Gently pull that boot out. You can set that aside. Now the headlight bulb is right here, but there is a little release tab. There's a retainer that holds it in. Kind of looks like a paper clip. What you're gonna do is push down on that and pull it out and then move it to the side like that. Once that's to the side, you can pull the bulb straight out. And there's the bulb. This bulb is an H4 or a 9003 bulb. When we install this bulb, you're gonna wanna keep in mind this bigger tab is gonna go towards the top. So we'll pull back this lock. And with our other hand, we're gonna slide it in. Once it's in place, we can take that retainer, push it down, and then you're gonna push this in. Sometimes it's a little tricky. You gotta get it to the lock. Push it in, and when you push it in, you're gonna push it down a little bit and then let up, and it should stay in that lock. All right, now we're gonna reinstall this rubber cap. You're gonna wanna get this around the bulb first. You push that down. Once that's down, then we can push the outer edges on. Just like that. And we can reinstall the electrical connector. You're gonna line it up. You're gonna want it like a triangle with this part at the top. Those two on the sides. Just slide it on, and that's it. To get to the turn signal indicator bulb, it's right here. We're gonna twist. We're gonna pull it out, just like that. You don't really have to disconnect the connector if you're just replacing the bulb. So you can grab the bulb, just pull it straight out, just like that. This bulb is a T6. It's an amber bulb. It's a single filament. To reinstall it, you're gonna line this bottom part up with the socket, push it down till it locks in. It's kind of hard to show you, but we're gonna slide it in. Line the tabs up. Once the tabs are lined up, and you can push it in a little bit. Okay. So once the tabs are lined up, you push it in further, and you just turn it to the right. Just like that. Your side marker indicator is over here. It's kind of hard to get to, it's kind of hard to see, but it's over here. You need to twist it to the left, get in there, twist it to the left, and then you pull it out. And there's the bulb right there. To pull the bulb out, just grab it, pull out. It's a 194 bulb. To reinstall it, I'm just gonna line it up with the socket and push it in. And then we'll slip it into the hole. You're gonna get the tabs lined up. Once you get the tabs lined up, then you can push it down. It's a little tricky. You can twist it back and forth. Okay, so the tab's lined up, and then I can twist it to the right. Just like that. And on the driver's side, it would be the same. To close the hood, we're gonna pull the prop rod out, put it back in its holder, and drop the hood.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.